everyone, this is Jill again, and I'm excited to have another Make It Monday recipe for you all to enjoy. I have a wonderful recipe. It's called Clean Mud. So I've done this with my preschoolers that I taught, I've done it with my kindergartners that I've taught, and it's just a great way to get your kids interactive and have their fine motor skills really defined without actually having them outside where it could get really messy. So what I like to use is I usually like to have like a plastic bin, keeps everything together. Of course it needs a lid. The cheapest toilet paper that you can find, I know it can probably be like a hot commodity, but I think things have simmered down a little bit. And all the stuff you can find like at Dollar Tree, which I love. Then you also need like a bar of like Ivory soap. I've already started grating it. I find that's the best because the warm water, when we add it, that's gonna basically help it melt faster. So I have my little grater. Here we are. We're just gonna finish grating the soap really quick into the little bin. So I've heated up a cup of water in the microwave till it's about warm. You don't want it too hot, otherwise the kids will burn themselves. And you basically just add it, and you can tell like right away it's already making bubbles into the little sensory bin here. Kind of squish it around. There we go. And already you can tell that it's getting all bubbly from the Ivory soap. And I say Ivory because that's the one that typically works the best. Honestly, I don't think it really matters which kind of bar of soap that you use, but truly, the cheaper the better. And then you're gonna take your roll of toilet paper. Let's get this started. And I always like to keep the rolls in the middle. So I don't want to put that in there. So we just rip it all up. Shred, shred. Because I really love this. Maybe you will too. It's a great stress reliever for you as well. Trying to get that middle part out. Because once that's out, it's really fun. No, it's not cooperating. We'll just keep on going the way I was doing it originally. Here we go. All right, I'm gonna put it down for a moment. Just keep on shredding it all up. Keep on shredding. All right, and so now we're gonna add that here. And again, if you want more, you just basically make another batch if you have multiple kids. But usually this is enough. All right, and now as you can see, we have our clean mud. You can make ice castles out of it. You can make snowdrifts, snowmen. I know in North Carolina we don't always get a lot of snow. And this is basically the activity. It's super simple. Children can do it. They can help you with it. And so I hope that you enjoy making clean mud with your children over the weekend or throughout the week. And until then, be safe, be well. Have a great day. Bye-bye.